Live keys scripts for Reaper. Step 1. Install scripts. Step 2. Assign keystrokes or MIDI buttons to track selector scripts. Be sure to assign a keystroke or MIDI button to reset tracks back to defaults. Next, create the tracks for your MIDI sounds. Name the tracks as you normally would and assign each track's input to C, MIDI. All done. Now when you use the assigned keystrokes or MIDI buttons, the script will disable all other tracks and enable only the track you select, saving computer power. When you are finished, use the keystroke or MIDI button assigned to reset, and all tracks will reappear and be enabled again.